Hello everyone, I'm Rachel, one of the onboarding consultants here at Carter Software. Today I'm going to show you around the EasyBase dashboards and how to get the most out of their functionality for your business. So let's get started. So I'm going to start by looking at the simple dashboard, which is relatively simple to navigate around, given its name. So we've got total inquiries, total active jobs, total completed and total service goals all on the top. You've then got your today's schedule, which shows all events scheduled for today, and you've also got outstanding tasks, which shows any tasks that have been allocated to you or any tasks that you've created. You can create a new event by clicking this plus icon, and it'll bring up the new event window. And you can add a title, for example, survey. You can add a start and end time. Press add event, and then that'll add it to today's schedule. You can also create an outstanding task by pressing this plus icon. So for example, let's say call the even back after work. I can add a due date. So for example, today's date at 7:30. And you can also add a priority. So this can be high, medium, or low, and they'll show in the respective orders. So high will show first, then followed by medium, then followed by low. So let's add that task. So that's your simple dashboard in a nutshell. We've also got the financial dashboard available, which you can just switch to by using the navigation in the bottom left. Your financial dashboard shows all your financials for the fiscal year. So you've got total inquiries, that's the total of your inquiries for this financial year. Same for active jobs, same for completed, and same for service calls. You've got a visual representation of the previous year compared with the current year. And on the right hand side, you've got your turnover for each fiscal period. So for each quarter, you can navigate through using this drop down, so you can navigate to the previous quarter and see what the turnover was for each quarter of the fiscal year. If you wanted to look at the previous year's figures, you can use the navigation in the top right to go backwards. And then this will show you the figures for last year's turnover, 2022 versus 2023, and then all your turnover in terms of inquiries at the jobs completed will all be shown across the top. So that is your financial dashboard and your simple dashboard on the EasyBase Assistant.